Steve Norris is among the most versatile and accomplished athletes of Warren County. He has competed at the highest levels in several sports. In Huntington, PA, Steve pitched his Legion baseball team to the state finals in '67. As quarterback, Steve led the Huntington Tigers to a 9-1 season. In basketball, Steve was an all-conference point guard. Steve played at the Amos Alonzo Stagg Bowl, Division III National Championship football game. Working as a teacher in the Warren County School District for the past 33 years, Steve has coached a myriad of sports to include football, basketball, cross country, and track and field. In the 1988 playoffs, Coach Norris led the Warren basketball Dragons to an upset win over the number 2 state-ranked General McLean. He coached cross country for the boys and girls in Warren, and his teams won 2 TCAC titles. For the past 25 years, Coach Norris has been working with Warren Dragon track and field throwers, distance runners, middle distance runners, sprinters, and jumpers, yielding many district champions. Today, Steve has returned to the hardwoods to coach basketball with his son Justin at Eisenhower High School. As certified official in PIAA football and basketball, he recently umpired a PIAA state championship football game. Having logged 26,862 training miles, Steve has won 2 marathon events with a best time of 2 hours, 31 minutes, and 50 seconds. He has run in over 160 races ranging from 5K to his 26 marathons so far. He has competed in 4 triathlons and is presently competing in a drug-free bodybuilding. Steve has won the Masters Division as a 42-year-old in 1994, and as a 53-year-old, he finished second in the Pennsylvania drug-free bodybuilding competition. In 1985, Steve applied to the NASA Teacher in Space project and was among the top 150 applicants. Former students and players often stop him and ask his advice. Steve always has a positive response and a helping hand. He has turned out a lot of champions, but more importantly, he has turned around a lot of lives. Whether he competes, coaches, or officiates, Steve Norris loves athletics and the pursuit of excellence.